I can prove myself right now to all of those stupid horses. They don't have to boss me around. Midnight. Me and my family have prepared a home for you. I don't need your stupid home. I am going to prove myself. Well, look, just come with me. No, I'm proving myself. You can go home by yourself. See, I will prove myself. Now you just go back to your puny herd and tell your master, that I am proving myself. That didn't go so well. Midnight. Come on, I'm not leaving without you. Whoa. Midnight. I guess he's not coming. Well, I'm going to go and get him. Come on, Midnight, come down. Midnight? Hello? Is that you? Midnight! Midnight! What do you need me for? Come help me. You okay? I'm fine. Let's go back. All right. You coming? Yeah. My leg. Here, I'll carry you. Midnight, there you are. Here's your mate. Spirit? You okay? He got hurt by a lion. Let me go tell your leader. What is it? Well, I just saved one of your horses. And which one was it? Spirit. You saved Spirit? He was attacked by a lioness. So I went and helped him. Where were y'all? That mountain way down there? A mountain? Wait, don't you mean the mountain where all of our predators live? Really? Because I went up there. Well, thank you for saving him. I guess you have proved yourself worthy. You can stay with us. Yes! So, does that mean we're going to fight after a week? No. Alright. Well, I'm glad we live in peace. Don't touch me. You still aren't very worth it to me, but I am going to let you stay. Alright.